One door, two doors, compartment with locks, compartment with locks. Each door has a separate key. Let's fix that. If your locks, where the compartment or entry door had this G inside, they're made by Global, and the tumblers can be rekeyed. You can order a tumbler with a number to match so that all of your locks are the same. Authorized dealers can do this, or they can be ordered with the number you want. It's that simple. So in a matter of minutes, I went from 3 keys to 1 key. Happy camper.